Assalamu alaikum. This is Rubel Hossain. Cyber Monday deals on Amazon 2022 start. 28 November is the exact date of Cyber Monday. So every year on this day, on this occasion, Amazon make deals for customers, and as well as Amazon seller create big discount for their prime customers. Every occasion on this Cyber Monday, Amazon going big deals, and also seller going big discount for customers. And on this occasion, customers buying more on Amazon, and their savings money up to 70 to 80% on many categories items like home and kitchen, as well as others countries item. Every maximum sellers create Cyber Monday deals on Amazon. I am writing in search bar an item name is outdoor rag, waterproof for an example, which seller going to discount like 30, 50, 60, 70, and how much money they are discount for a particular item. I am showing you. Maximum seller create Cyber Monday deal on Amazon, and on this day who purchase on Amazon as well as eBay, Walmart, he can save more money on particular product. On this occasion, Amazon, eBay, Walmart selling most item because customers save more money. On this occasion, I open a two new tab for giving you the example. Here is the Cyber Monday deal, and here was the price $69.99. That means $70. I am in USA marketplace, and Cyber Monday deals prime price is $47.99. That means big saves for customers. I am going the second tab. Here I can see the previous price is $43, $42.99, almost $43, and the prime price is $30.39. That means big saves. Here is the number one position browse note. This seller is the bestseller rank, who is earn bestseller rank. He most sell on Amazon because he is the number one position on the exact note, and also he create a discount for the customers. Previously it was $39.99, now it's $14.29. Big saves money for customers. If I down, here I can see the browse note, outdoor mats in the exact note. He is the number one position on this outdoor mats browse note on Amazon. He selling most from others sellers because he is the number one position in outdoor mats browse note. So hope you understand what is the reason for most selling on Cyber Monday. Maximum customers buying on this occasion also, as well as we passing Black Friday, now upcoming 28 November Cyber Monday. So on this occasion going most selling on Amazon as well as eBay, Walmart. At the end, happy selling for Amazon sellers on Cyber Monday. We wish we have most order on this day from Amazon. Thank you.